null is like not equals to null, right? So you cannot say null is a blank character or null is a empty string or something like that. But the fact is null is having some value which is not defined here, right? So let's see some of the example with null. So remember always whenever you will perform any kind of mathematical operation, it will return null only, right? So make it a thumb rule and remember always whenever you will get any interview question, right? Like after doing these operation with some mathematical operation with null value, what you will get, right? So you blindly give an answer that yes, this will be a null value until or unless any null function has been used in their query. So we learn about null value function in function section, right? But for any query where no null function has been used, you simply say yes, it will return null, right? So let's see some of the example with null. So here salary and commission percentage column is an important column to see the output, right? So here you can see salary column is having some value and commission percentage column is null, right? So there is no value, right? So it is blank. But in some of the columns, values are there, right? So if I want to calculate the new salary like 12 into salary plus commission percentage, right? So according to normal mathematical operation, it should return some value. But as commission percentage column is having some null value, it will return the another column as blank, right? So to understand this, let me put salary and commission percentage column also in the select clause so that you can see and you can understand that yes, because of this reason we are not getting the output, right? So now you can see like salary is 24,000, commission percentage is blank. So your new salary will be like blank only, right? Because it is performing some mathematical operation with null. But in the bottom section, you can see salary is 14, whereas commission percentage is 0.4. So it will return some value like 1,68,000, right? 0.4, right? So how it is getting calculated? 12 into salary plus commission. Okay. Now, if you want to see the output, as I said, until or unless any null function has been used, you will get the output as null, right? So here, let me show you, and later on I will explain that yes, how you can perform. Sorry. Salary 1 and here salary 2, salary 2. Okay, here I will use one SQL function which is NVL. Okay, so NVL function basically what it does, if any null value is there, it will replace with some value. Okay, so here I am saying whenever any null value is there, you replace it with 0. Okay, so now let's see what as the output we will get. Okay, whether we'll get any output or not, we'll see. Okay, so here you can see in new salary we are not using any null function, right? So we are getting null. But in salary 2 we are using NVL function. Okay, so NVL of commission percentage and then with 0. So it is replacing where null value is there. So this column it will be replaced as 0 and then it will calculate as 14 into 24 then plus 0. So it will be like 2,88,000. So in this way we are performing doing some null operation, operation with null. Okay, and to do the concatenation, okay, you can do concatenation with null. It will return the string only. Okay, so in string if you do concatenation with null, it will return the exact string. Okay, and to do some mathematical operation with null, it will return null. Always remember these things. Okay, so let's see how you can perform the concatenation operation. So you can do it in this way. Okay, so let's see whether we are getting any column with null or not. Okay, first name and last name, right? Here we are giving as full name. So let's see whether we are getting any null column or not. Hopefully, should we expect some null column? No, there is no null column. So we are not getting it. Okay. So let's write a query of finding the null value. Okay. So how you can perform, uh, how you can fetch the data with null. Okay, because in where condition, if you write it like where last name equals to null. Okay, so you won't get it. You won't get anything. Let's see whether we are getting anything. No, SQL command not properly ended. So if we put it like equals to this, should we get anything? No, right? So to get the output, to get the employees, to get the output where last name is null, you need to write it like where sorry guys, I missed where condition, where last name is null. Okay, no data found. Let's put first condition, no data found. So let me put department ID, where department ID is null, right? So here you can see for this particular employee ID, the department ID column is null, right? So let's see, here you can see, right?